Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about Python lists. Open Python ideally, then it will open Python shell. From here we are going to write a new program. Go to File menu and select New File. Here we are going to write a program. Already we know that if you want to print a message in Python, simply we are using print function. In this print function, we are going to write text in a double quotes. Welcome to PGP class. Okay. If you want to save this program, go to File menu and save the program. Select any file location where you want to save and type the file name mytest.py. No need to add py because the save as type is Python files. Then it will be added .py Python extension by default. Save this program and run this program. Go to Run menu and Run module. Okay, the output is coming here. Uh, Here now we are going to discuss about Python lists. What is a list? List. The list is a set of values, set of items. Okay. The list is a most flexible data type available in Python, which we can be written as a list of comma separated values. It's called items between square brackets. Between square brackets. If you want to list, see if you want to if you want to declare an empty list, see list1 is equals to this one. It's a empty list. It's an empty list. We are representing list in square brackets. If you don't write anything in the list, this is an empty list. I want to display empty list. How it will be displayed, we will see in the output. Simply, I want to write print list one. I am going to print. What I am going to do here? Here, I am declaring an empty list, and I am going to display that list. File, save. Okay, already I saved my test.py. So run module. Check the output. This is it displaying empty list. Okay, it displaying empty list. Next, I want to add items to the list. I'm adding all integer items 1, comma 2, comma 3, comma 4, comma 5, comma 6. I'm adding 6 values in the list. I'm going to display that list. File, save, run, run module. See here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's an integer list. It's displaying all integers because I'm adding all integers in the list. For example, I'm going to add, instead of integers, I'm going to add strings 1, 2, 3. Okay. These all are strings. We are enclosed string in the double quotes or single quotes. Okay. 1, comma 2, comma 3. This list contains how many items? 3 items. I'm going to display that list here. Go to File, Save, Run, and Run module. See here, this is displaying 1, 2, 3. It's a string list. Okay. Previous one is integer list. I have a doubt. Can I give can I give combination of strings and integers? So I am writing 1. It's a string value. This is the 10 is the integer value. 20 is the integer value. Some 25.3 is a float value. Okay. In this one, two integer values. In this list one, we have two integer values, one string value, one float value. We will display this slide, this list. Save, save the program. Run the program. See here, the list contains any type of value. Did you understand? The list may be contain all strings. The list may be contain all integers. The list may be contains all float values. The list may contains all combination of data types, combined data types. And also I have a doubt. The list contains sublist also. See here, this one. I am going to write another list. How to represent the list? In square brackets, I am going to write a list. In this list, I am going to write alphabets A, comma, B, comma, C. See, the 1 is first item, the 10 is second item, 20 is third item, And what is the fourth item? The fourth item is a list. The fourth item is a list. See here, file, save, run, run module. See this, the list displays as it is. Uh, for example, if you want to display a list item by using index values. Already we know that the index numbers are starts from 0. The first list item index number is 0. The first here, the first list item index number is 0 followed by numbers. See here, in this one, the one list item index number is 0 and this one is 1, sorry, and this one is 1 and 20 index number is 2 and this list number is 3. Okay, we will check how it will be displayed. Okay, I'm making the comment. I am writing here, I am printing, I am going to print list 1 of 0. List 1 of 0 means what? The first item in the list. The first item in the list. File, save, run, run module. What is the first value? The first value is 1 in the list. The first value is 1 in the list. Next, I want to display the third value. The third value, the third index number. The third index value is, what is the third index value? It will be displayed. Check it out. File, save, run, run module. See here, it's again one more list. It's again sub list. This is called nested list. Okay. Hmm. If you want to display list items, how we are displaying the list items individually by using index numbers. Index numbers, and we can display index numbers using minus also. See here, if I write -2, what it will be displayed? We will see here. Save, run, run module. See, it's a 20. What is the 20 index in this program? 20 index is 2. But how it is -2? That means there is a concept called negative indexing. The negative indexing is the last index is -1. The last but one index is -2. What is the last index? See here. How? What is the size? One, two, three, four items are there. One, two, three, four. Four items are there in the list. Then the first item is -4. Then the second item is -3. Then third item is -2. Then the last but one item is last item is -1. See here. This is the positive index numbers. Top one is positive index numbers, and this one is negative index numbers. Okay, we can access the list by using positive indexes and negative indexes. In this session, what we have learned, how to declare a list and what type of the elements list can have, how to access the list element, what is forward indexing, what is backward indexing, it's called negative indexing, and how to access the list elements by using index number.